Hi, I'm Jose Javier, co-founder in Pyroistech, and today I'm going to show you our BRETON12, which is a model of our multi-LED fiber-coupled light sources in the ultraviolet, visible and near spectrum. It has been conceived as a user-friendly, compact and silent tool, being ideal for fluorescence, spectroscopy and general fiber illumination applications. We have several models with different wavelengths. In this case, BRETON12 has 12 LEDs at 6 different wavelengths: ultraviolet, blue, green, amber, deep red, and far red. The current through each LED can be controlled with a precision of 1% through a touch screen or a USB connection. First, I'm going to turn on the source. Now I'm going to unscrew the cap and connect an optical fiber to the output. And now I'm going to show you how the touch screen works. So here we have the touch screen. I can turn all the LEDs on by using this button or turn them off. But as I have said, I can individually control each LED. For example, if I click here in the blue LED, I can turn it on to the 100%, but I can also introduce an intermediate value between 0 and 100 by using the regulator, but I can also employ the slide bar or the arrows. If I click here, I can see the spectrum of the corresponding LED, in this case the blue LED. Now I'm going to turn this LED off, and for example I'm going to turn on the deep red LEDs and the green LED. So this way we can obtain the spectrum we desire by using the different LEDs and by setting their current to the value we want. So now we are going to show how the USB connection works. The USB cable is already connected to the BRETON12, and now we connect it to the computer. So this is useful because we can remotely control the computer and therefore the light source through a VPN connection, and therefore we don't need to go to the laboratory to change the adjustments of the light source. So this is the application we have developed to communicate between the computer and the light source. However, the final user could also employ other programs to send commands to the light source through USB. So in the first place, we click on Update and we see port CON5, which is the port to which the light source is connected. So we click on Connect. As it happened with the touch screen, we can turn on all the LEDs or off at the same time, but we can also select one individual LED, for example the green LED, and set the output current to a value between 0 and 100% by using the wheel, the arrows, or directly introducing the value with the keyboard. When we click in Send, this value is transmitted to the light source and it is updated on this list. We can also turn on other LEDs, for example the blue one and the amber one, and this way we obtain the output spectrum we need for our application. So thank you for watching, and if you need more information you can visit our webpage pyroistech.com or contact us through info@pyroistech.com.